can't take my eyes off of you. And that was it. It sort of catapulted me back. Well, the latest on Welcome Excitement is that I have come back from London to discover that yesterday this branch from this tree fell off and has damaged this, which has been redone and now has to be redone again. Quite frankly, I'm heartily sick to death of this sort of thing happening. So now the next one to fall down is going to be that one, which will be the crash.